Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is going to be like a kind of an interesting video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to record this full screen. In fact, actually, hold on. Let's just see if we can do this full screen first. Boop, 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 doo, doo, doo. Okay, cool. Okay. All right. So here's the deal. This is a video by one of our engineers, and this is an upcoming feature that they're releasing. And I'm going to just kind of like give you my talk track through it. So all of you know we have workflows, and they're amazing, but imagine you wanted to add your own custom workflow actions. So let me give you like an interesting example. Let's say you're a mailing company, a postcard company, and you want to make it so that you can add an app to to High Level so that people can add your app, and then they can actually send out custom or postcards as part of their workflow, right? Wouldn't that be amazing? And so that is exactly what this is. This is a beta of this exact feature. So in the upcoming thing, and I'm gonna fast forward through this video a little bit, so some of you may or may not know this already, but basically you can add yourself as an app to our marketplace. So if you go to like marketplace.gohighlevel.com, you can add yourself as an app. And this is for developers or external parties or integrators or developers or whatever, but you add yourself. So imagine you added an app and it was called like postcards.com. I don't know, let's just pretend and make an example here. And so, and you can do this today, and what it allows you to do is use our API and integrate with our systems and all that wonderful stuff. Now, this gets even cooler though, because what you can do is, hold on, let me see. Okay, here we go. You can come in here and you see where it's like, sorry, I know this is, okay, so like, here you go. You're like in workflows, and the idea here is simple. See how like, here you have this thing called WFMP or whatever, and you notice that he's gonna click on this. Okay, stop, pause. Okay, so notice, pause. Notice that there are, stupid pop-up. Notice there are all these these workflow actions right here. See, that one's called like only dynamic, staging, test, this and that. And then when he goes back into the actual workflow builder, what you're gonna see, he's actually adding another action here. But when he goes back into the workflow builder, see down here in the bottom right, see how it says like WFMP sample app? Imagine that said postcards.com, and then the actions were like send postcard or send this or send that or do this or do that. You literally can create these things. And so he goes through this video and does an awesome job of showing like how you can how this all works, how you add the actions, how you can then come in and like you can actually define like your field types and stuff, and like all the different fields you can add. And I don't want to go all through this. In fact, I'll drop this source video so somebody can actually look through it. They did this team did an amazing job. This is a great presentation, like 20 some odd minutes. But basically, at the end of the day, what it means is that you're going to be able to add in custom workflow actions. And if you were on the town hall today, you heard that you can also then you can also set up billing, and then we'll expose them in the app so that people can actually discover. There's discoverability, all this other stuff. So anyways, this is coming out later this quarter, but I was just so crazily thrilled to see this video. I'm really impressed with what this team has accomplished, that I just wanted to get it out to every single person, because even if you don't know like what you're seeing on the screen or how like it might be used, and it may not even apply to you because you're not you're not developing an external application. If you know any external application out there in the world that would be interested in adding a custom workflow action, you'd want to see a custom workflow action for that person, you should send them my crazy video or the Vidyard link I'll put in the description, because I just think this is such a cool thing. I've actually I'm trying to think if I've ever seen this. I'm an engineer. I know it's hard to believe, but I'm a software engineer by trade, and I have integrated with many systems. I have never seen something like this, except maybe something like a Salesforce. It's a very cool thing to be able to actually put a custom front-end action that's native into the UI of a platform like this. So anyways, huge props to the team for making this happen. Sorry to run this video so long, but I just love it, and I hope you're having an awesome day, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.